अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण आत्मा रामानंद रमण.
My name is Tanushree. I am studying in 6th standard. ಪರಿಸರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕವನ. ಪರಿಸರ ಉಳಿಸುವೆಯ ಮಾನವ, ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಕಾಪಾಡುವೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಸಂಕುಲವ, ಉಳಿಸಿದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಡೆವೆ ಅದರ ಉಪಯೋಗವ, ಉಳಿಸು ಬೆಳೆಸು ಸಂತೈಸು ಈ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಪರಿಸರವ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್.
Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating Green Day. Green is the color of the nature that keeps our earth fresh and clean. I got lady finger today, which is green in color.
Thank you. Everyone, today is very special day because we are celebrating Green Day. Green is very special color. Our environment is green at the rainy season. In our flag also has green at the symbolize the wealth, as well as green symbolize the goodness. In our Indian culture, we are decorating our house using green mango leaves in festivals. It gives positiveness to us. Thank you to all gives this opportunity. Thank you one and all. Once again, happy Green Day. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Vihan. I am studying in 7th standard. My project is jackfruit tree. Jackfruit trees give jackfruit. Jackfruit color is yellow. Jackfruit trees give fresh air and big shadow. Thank you friends.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sinchar. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am telling about lady's finger. Lady's finger is a vegetable. It is rich in vitamin and minerals. It is used to make many dishes. It is long tube shaped vegetable. It is green red in color. Thank you friends.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Tanushree. I am studying in 6th standard. I am telling about capsicum. Capsicum is a vegetable. Capsicum is rich in vitamin C. Capsicum is a vegetable. It is round and hollow inside. It is tasty and crunch. Capsicum grows on a plant. Thank you friends.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chandar. I am studying in 6th standard. Lemon is a round vegetable. Lemon using for making juice. Lemon use vitamin C. Thank you, Pranali. My name is Akshay. I am studying in 6th standard. Today we are telling about water guard. Water guard is a green vegetable.
Session called I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am telling about bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is a vegetable. Bitter gourd color is green and yellow color. Bitter gourd is a using to cooking. Bitter gourd is a some vitamins. Thank you friends.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Disha. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am telling about watermelon. Watermelon is a big fruit. It is green outside. It has black seeds. Watermelon is a favorite fruit. Thank you, friends. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manasvi. I am studying in 2nd standard. My favorite fruit is mango. National fruit is mango. It is a green in color. Thank you, friends. Good morning, everyone. I am studying LKG class. My we using to for making varieties for dishes. Thank you, friends.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Pandavani. I am studying in first standard. My model is cup. It is made by lead. We are using cup for drink something. Thank you, friends.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tanushi. I am studying in first standard. I am telling about leaf watch. Leaf watch. We wearing it on our hand. It shows at time. Thank you, friends.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Prashit. I am studying in fourth standard. Today I am telling about cap. My cap color is green. It protects from hot sunshine. Thank you, friends. Hello, everyone. My name is Karana. I am studying in fifth standard. Today I am telling about papaya. Papaya is healthy food. It is green in color. It has rich vitamins and increases our immense power. Thank you, friends. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ganavi. I am studying in first standard. Banana leaf. My topic is banana leaf. It is green in color, long and large in size. We are used as plate. Thank you, friends. Hello everyone, my name is Suprita. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am telling about cucumber. Cucumber is a green color vegetable. It has used to diet food. Thank you, friends. My name is Preeti. I am studying in 3rd standard. Today is Green Day held at our school. In talk about ಮಾವಿನ ತೋರಣ. ಮಾವಿನ ಎಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡುವ ಸುಂದರ ಮಾಲೆ. ಹಬ್ಬ ಹರಿದಿನ ಶುಭ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾವಿನ ತೋರಣ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಾವಿನ ತೋರಣ ಶುಭ ಸಂಕೇತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಮಾವಿನ ತೋರಣ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದಲೂ ಈ ತೋರಣವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. My name is Sashmi. I am studying class UKG class. My name is Nita. I am studying in first standard. I am telling about fingerling. Today I am wearing a which is made by coconut. Thank you, friends. Hi everyone, my name is Jessica. I am studying in third standard. My school name is JHPS H. I am a chili. Chili is very strong. Chili is very hot. Chili is very spicy. Chili is used for everyday breakfast. Thank you, friends. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hitashri. I am studying in third standard. My school name is DHPS H. Melanalli. I am talking about the grapes. Grapes is a tasty fruit. It is color of green or purple. It found of bunches. It has a vitamins. I love to eat the grapes. Thank you, friends. My name is Diksha. I am studying in first standard. My school name is JHPS H. Melanalli. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashley Gowda. I am studying in fourth standard. Today I am telling about parrot. Parrot is a bird. It has big red in color. It is a very beautiful. Thank you, friends.
Good morning, ready?
My name is Lotan. I am studying UKG class.
name is JSPSH Milanavalli. My favorite bird is parrot. My name is Madan. I am studying in Finland. My school name is JSPSH Milanavalli. This is Priya. Priya is a green in color. Priya is a beautiful. Thank you, friends.
Sakshay, I am studying in 7th standard. My topic is banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. It has huge trunk. It has swing convert into roots. Thank you.
My name is Pratisha. I am studying in first standard.